Hello, jobs in oil and gas industry. I choose to work as a driller. Among the works in the oil and gas industry, the driller stands out. One of the most valuable minerals in today's world is oil. This is an instrument of geopolitics. Wars are being waged for it. It's reviving the economy of any state. Oil today is called black gold, and this source is extracted by people of various professions, which united under the common name of oil industry workers. This is the name for oil workers, from an engineer to an assistant driller. A driller is a specialist who, using drilling equipment, participates in the construction of a vertical, inclined, or horizontal cylindrical mine in the ground, without the direct access of a specialist to the face. Drilling engineer design works. Drilling technical manage drilling. The drilling and the assistant drillers are engaged in various technological operations to deepen and secure the wells under construction. The main responsibilities of driller: construction of new wells, assemble and disassemble drilling equipment, be able to operate and, if necessary, repair equipment, engage in operation, carry out installation and dismantling of wells, to carry out drilling and blasting operations, keep records and technical reporting. Who can become a driller? A driller must have excellent health and physical stamina. Also, a person who decides to work in these professions needs to be able to overcome long-term physical and physiological stress in different weather conditions and types of terrain with irregular work schedules. Work activity takes place on a shift, that is, the person lives for several weeks or even months in the place of work, often in Spartan conditions. It's important that a person knows how to work in a team. Since it's almost impossible to cope with drilling alone. From the above, we can conclude that this is a job for real men who aren't afraid of difficulties. Pros and cons of these professions. Advantage of these professions: high wage. Cons of the professions: shift method. Drillers leave for an expedition for several weeks, where they work in a very intensive mode without days off. The lack of amenities, the difficulties of camping a limited team can be attributed to the minuses of these professions. Place of work: exploration expedition, geophysical and drilling lots, geological research institution, independent geological organization performing geological work, mining industrial organization, oil and gas producing industrial organizations. Professionally important qualities: physical strength and endurance, spatial imagination, technical mindset, skillful hands, attentiveness, observation, patience, discipline, responsibility. Most countries of the modern world depend on oil more than on the political situation in the country. Of course, a driller extracting a resource so necessary for the people brings great benefits to his fellow citizens. The need for specialists in this field depends on the region of the country and generally on the place on the world map. It's easy for an oilman to find work, but they must be prepared to work away from home on a rotational basis.